Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ibrahim and my group mates are Hassan, Hussein and Yusuf. In this project, a portable, real-time wireless health monitoring system is developed using Raspberry Pi 4. The system is used for remote monitoring of patients' heart rate using heart rate monitor, oxygen saturation in blood using pulse oximeter, and human body temperature will be measured.
Now coming to the hardware side, this is the SpO2 pulse oximeter. This is the heart rate monitoring sensor, and this is the ECG sensor and its nodes. This is the total hardware. The next part I will explain the whole code. The code here being displayed is of digital temperature sensor. We have used KY028, and secondly we have used the ECG sensor AD-A232. We have used digital pin 10 and 9 and A0 as input. The A0 is a common pin, and pin number 10 is connected on the right side of the heart and pin number 9 on the left side of the heart. These two sensors work on 9600 baud rate. These two inputs are from the ECG sensor pin number 10 and 9. Here we have used the DAC to record the data and then later on use it in Excel to make the graph in analyzing it. This is the code to take the values from the ECG sensor. This is the code for temperature sensor, and we have set the delay of DAC to 1000. Now uploading the code. Now opening the DAC in Excel and setting the baud rate to 9600. After some time, when the ECG sensor is properly connected, it will start giving the values. These bogus values in between are because of ECG sensors is not properly connected. Now coming to the second code, which is for the oxygen saturation level and the heart rate of the body. The previous code was for the ECG and temperature of the body. This whole code is to read the values from these two sensors. This part is for the DAC to record the values from these two sensors. For these two sensors, we have set the baud rate to 115,000. Now uploading the code and then opening DAC in the Excel. Set its baud rate to 115,000 for these two sensors. After the DAC will be done with collecting the samples, it will show the values on the spreadsheet. When the sensor is not connected to the body, it shows these bogus values. But after some time, when the sensor is connected to the body, it shows the proper values. Now it's generating the proper values. This was all from the software side.